Join me today as we take a look at this absolutely beautiful chateau for sale in Pau, France. This home is listed at $1,038,800 or 980,000 euro. It has 7 bedrooms, 4 baths, and it says that it has 4,154 habitable square feet. So that, because I'm looking at this and I'm like, there's no way that's 4,000 square feet. It's got to be a lot bigger. But a lot of times there's levels in the homes, especially the, what would be considered in France, the second floor. But if you're in the United States, that would be considered an attic or a third floor. They do it a little differently in France than they do in the United States. But a lot of times that space is not considered. It needs to be renovated, or it's spaces that cannot be habitable. This home was built in 1757. And it sits on 3.4 acres. It is absolutely, to me, this is just, it's just beautiful. It's just a lovely chateau. A lot of these homes you see have a lot of funky elements to them, but to me, the design in this home is just elegant. It really, really is. And the renovations that were done are really beautiful. Pau is about an hour from Biarritz, so you'd be close to an airport and all of that good stuff as well, major highways. But this chateau is a little smaller, and they will call a smaller chateau like it would be a manor house or a maison de maître. Hope you have enjoyed this lovely chateau as much as I have. If you like this home, please hit that like and subscribe. I try to do a chateau video for you guys every Wednesday and Sunday. And as always, thank you for watching.